Yeah. That's my Kim's dad.
Kim's dad?
Yeah.
I do.
This is Gerald.
Hello, Gerald. You okay? Yeah, not too bad. You don't mind if I...
You're Kim's friend, aren't you?
Yes.
Uni.
Hello, nice to meet you. Are you okay?
Yeah, just a bit.
Glad to meet you, yeah.
Yeah. And that's one of my sons.
Hello.
That's the other one.
I do.
There's my daughter Tina.
I've got it on stabilisation this time, because last time it was shaking a bit.
Nerves.
No, it's just, it's got stabilisation, but I forgot to switch it on. Like.
Oh, right,
It
okay.
smells and I think they sprayed them.
So, Sharon, are we waiting for anybody else?
I don't know, I don't think.
Nobody knows really what goes on. Kick
No,
off
I don't
when...
think we are we?
Here's Owen. Owen's going to
My
be...
nephew's here, isn't he, Colin?
Yeah,
I do.
Colin's here.
Yeah.
You're right.
So, I'm just going to introduce you to Owen.
Yeah,
From
I know
Trenters.
Owen. Come on, you can say hello. You haven't met Owen, have you? This is Andy.
How you doing? You got a fuel?
I do hope so. We're going to have to get here, so we'll see.
Oh, I've. Hey?
Sorry, Sean.
Is this Dale, little Dale?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Shower then, she was good.
I do.
Okay.
How you doing, mate?
Carl.
You're right.
How you doing? You alright?
Yeah, you're right.
You're right, darling. You're right.
Hello. I've got this thing going on, so
That's one of Kim's friends, isn't it? At the back.
it's recording. That's alright. Yeah, some people couldn't
You'll
quite
know
make it.
That one at the back, Andy.
Kennedy Cat.
Yeah, Lauren.
So, are we waiting for anybody else, Sharon?
I don't think so. Only a friend from Telford.
Yeah, there's some friends that aren't here yet.
Okay, well, we can hang on till 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
No problems at all. It's eased off, so... But just remember, it only goes as far as the skin.
Yeah.
The water, I mean.
Might be Cheryl.
Is that Cheryl?
There's another Cheryl.
Yeah.
That's Nikki.
My name is not made up, did you know that?
Hello.
Do you want to give everybody one of them while we're standing here? Then.
It's a bit wet. Might wait till we get
That's Kim's friend, isn't it? The one you spoke to.
Yeah. Go talk.
I have done. Hiya, sweetheart.
I do.
Yeah,
Yeah, keep it.
I don't think you can eat that one though.
He does look like an
It's
idiot.
not like,
Was his eye alright?
Oh, yeah, he just scratched his eye.
What are you doing? I am Lisa with this brolly.
uh,
Yeah, but you could have took me on a date.
I don't remember the last one. I got something to piss on, do it.
alright.
It never takes me anywhere.
Too busy with it. You know what I mean?
Are they coming, are they, Cheryl and Nick? Cheryl.
Yeah, I think they
This
come.
one's
Yeah.
Dad's, isn't it?
When we get to the point in the service where Gerald's ready for
Yeah.
the ashes to be lowered, do you or anybody else want to lower the ashes?
Stevie, do you want to lower her? No, I don't think so.
Do you want me to do it?
Yeah, you do it. Yeah.
Who are we waiting for then?
You're alright. What time you got now then? I'll just wait for a couple of minutes here. Alright. You'll be alright. I can hold that yet. There you go.
Sharon, I'm sorry if this upsets you more, but do you just want to have a minute before we go down?
So just do it, I think. Come on. Yeah, zip up. Oops, look at that. Get someone with some umbrella. Look at that. Alright.
Do you want to wander down?
Sorry?
Do you ever wander down? Do you think make our way?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, let's just, yeah. You alright holding that?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. How's it going? Done any music lately? No. You're all doing all that stuff. My mate's buried here somewhere.
Dale's Manners as well.
It's been a while. Remember Pete from over the road?
Mm.
He's buried here somewhere. So, are you listening to these days, mate?
Mainly punk.
Punk, bit
Yeah,
of punk.
reliving my youth.
Paul Diarnio, when he was in.
He's been sent to prison for disability fraud. He was touring doing all the Maiden songs and he was claiming disability and somebody... you bastard.
God. It's a bit fuller than last time I came here, this place. Alright. Alright.
Place the flowers around.
Where's Dale? Yeah, I'll put them in again a bit. Yeah, you put them.
I got it.
Yeah, you put it over there.
I don't know if you need this now, this umbrella.
Yeah, I need it. One of them.
You go.
There you go, sweetheart. Yeah, that one. Let's do, no.
You alright, Andy? So we've got Kenny the cat on the floor and the flowers. Alright. I'll share your one.
Well, we got some out over.
Yeah, we can. So next to
Just to make sure that we're singing from the same sheet. So can I welcome you all to Castle Green Cemetery here in Ironbridge as we come today to lay to rest the cremated remains of Kim. Obviously at the service, which was affected by the COVID-19 rules and regulations, Jill actually did the service on the day. And unfortunately Jill's not able to be with us today, she's on holiday, and so I've been asked if I would do it. My name's Gerald, and today I am nothing more than a friend to a family in need. So I'm going to begin a little bit longer service than normal for the Interment of Ashes, but obviously I welcome you all who have travelled to be with us today for this service and celebration for, of course, Kim's life. And with that, I'm going to share with you now a poem called Miss Me, But Let Me Go. When I come to the end of the road, and the sun has set for me, I want no rights in a gloom-filled room. Why cry for a soul set free? Miss me a little, but not too much, and not with your head bowed low. Remember the love that once was shared. Miss me, but let me go. For this is a journey we all must take, and each must go alone. It's all part of the Master's plan, a step on the road to home. So when you're lonely and sick of art, go to the friends that we know. Bear your sorrow in doing good deeds. Miss me, but let me go. And some words now from Paul's first letter to the Corinthians. Paul tells us, love is patient and kind. It is not jealous or full of self-importance. Love is not selfish or greedy. It does not anger easily or remember past mistakes. Love finds no joy in what is wrong, but delights in what is right. Love is always trusting, hoping in the future, and accepting whatever that future might hold. Many things may come and go, but love will never end. And I'm sure that Kim fell into every category of that reading from Paul today. Kind, loving, supportive, always there for each and every one of you. So today is a continuation of that service that was held at Telford Crematorium on the 4th of December, which of course, as I said, was led by my friend Jill. And in that service you learn so much of the lady that Kim truly was. That life that was cut so short at just 29 years of age, but a life that was lived to the full, and she crammed so much into those 29 years too. Kim's life was like a giant jigsaw puzzle, made up of thousands and thousands of very tiny pieces, each piece having its own importance and fitting so perfectly together to form the puzzle of life. You may recall some of those memories that of course Jill shared with you on that particular day. She was educated and to a very high standard as well, a very intelligent young lady at heart. And of course that relationship that was formed with Andy, and a love that was so clear to be seen. plans to actually get married. But sadly, with that, those plans have been put on hold. But of course you will hold treasured memories of Kim. With this, we recall where life began on the 31st of March 1991. A Telford lady at heart, and fond memories of Sutton Hill, where she grew as a child. Kim was one of 6 children born to Sharon and Dave. And of course, each and every one of you will hold those treasured memories of this special sister and dear. Kim attended the John Randall School in Madeley, and then went on to the Madeley Court, where she excelled in that education. On leaving Madeley Court, Kim then went to Telford College, and then on to the Angel Ruskin University, again where she excelled in that education. That vast amount of knowledge that this young lady had was really outstanding. And of course for all the many friends that she made on that journey of life through that education and work as well. She of course worked for the National Health and latterly working at the university in Lincoln. So let us turn back the clocks to when of course Kim found the love of her life in Andrew. And obviously with this, it was the beginning of a love story that sadly ended with those sorrowing tears that you experience today. But the beginning of a love story that will last a lifetime through it all. She achieved everything that she needed in life too, and that tells of the determination of this young girl. And obviously studying for the Masters, which was so important to her. She loved wrestling, and of course she loved Kenny the cat, who was partner in crime and had so many memories too. She loved all that she did throughout her life, and of course made many friends along the way. We were joined at the hip and with this remarkable lady, and wherever one was, the other one wasn't very far away. And of course, with this, that relationship grew. And of course, the memories that you will all treasure, Sharon, those memories that you have. But she never forgot her roots, never forgot where she came from. And every opportunity she would return back to Telford to meet her children. She enjoyed reading and researching in the war years. Never forgot anyone's birthday. Of course, you will all know treasured memories. Probably that last trip that you had, Sharon, down to Iron Bridge, enjoying your time there, and of course the meal that you enjoyed too. Like many of the young ladies, she enjoyed her appearance, which was important too. And obviously with this, never fully dressed without a motive. She was kind, loving and very generous, and a special lady to you all. The last 12 months she had experienced MS, but of course most of all she was your best friend in life. We all know the rest of our story today, where of course Kim was taken poorly and diagnosed with COVID-19. And of course with this, it came to an end when she sadly fell to sleep. Until today there was one vital piece still missing in that puzzle of life, Kim. Gladly that piece has now been found, put into its rightful place, and of course with this, she is laid to rest, in a place that she knew only too well. And our thoughts today are of course with all of the family at this difficult time. It's now time for us to say our goodbyes, and I do apologise for the weather and holding you back. But obviously it's now that we want to those created. Remember. If you want to come in a little bit closer, the rain will be shielded up a little bit by the trees, with the people in the So I would like the memories of me to be a happy one. I'd like to leave an afterglow of smiles when life is done. I'd like to leave an echo whispering softly down the waves of happy times and laughter and bright and sunny days. And I would like the tears of those who grieve to dry before the sun of happy memories that I will, their life on earth. So we have entrusted our sister Kim to that natural hand, earth to earth, ashes to ash, dust to dust. And I bring our service to an end now by sharing a letter. Some things I'd like to say, but first of all to let you know I've arrived right now. I'm writing this from heaven where I dwell with God in heaven. There's no more tears or sadness, there's just eternal love. Please do not be unhappy because I am sad. Remember, I am with you every morning, noon and night. The day I had to leave you when my life on earth was through, God picked me up and hugged me and said, Kim, I work for you. And God gave me a list of things He wanted me to do, and foremost on that list is to watch and care for you. I will be beside you every day, week and year. And when you're feeling sad, I'll wipe away with you. Do not be I am your Christ. It was always my philosophy, and I'd like it for you too. But as you give unto the world, then the world will give to you. And when it's time for you to go from that body to be created, remember you're not going, but you're coming home to me. And I will always love you from that land way up above. We'll be in touch again soon. God send us. So may the road rise up to meet you, may the winds be always a good. May the sunshine warm upon your face and the rains fall soft upon your feet. And until we meet again, may God hold you all in the hollow of His hand.
Yeah, done.
And after the short service, you are all invited to join with the family for memories and thoughts of Kim
Sorry.
at the pub in Norton, where of course you will all be made welcome to join the family there later over their day. And I thank you all, thank you to those who have made this journey on quite a difficult time in our lives to be with us for this celebration of Kim's life today. Now, what's going to happen now? The guy from Leakin Council will come and backfill and make sure that everything is okay. There is nothing untoward into the backfilling of casket. And I always think personally it's not the nicest thing to see. So if you want to go, you go to the 100x, and then if you want to come back later, this will all be made tidy, the flowers placed on. Or if you feel that you want to stop and wait until it's been done, and then go to the 100x, you can actually do what you feel is right for yourself. But I would just ask you to give Chris 10 minutes to do what he wants to do. So can I thank you all on behalf of the family, and keep safe and do as best as you can. Thank you all very much.
Thank you.
Can you text Stevie with us and show him?
Yeah. Alright.
Oh, darling.
Alright. Alright. Going back up. Alright. Where's your dad? Is your dad alright? Where's he?
We're going to go get a car, get these, because they got a baby, don't they?
I'm going to get these to the car as well. We'll see you down the road.
Yeah, see you down there, darling.
Alright, and you all coming, yeah?
Yeah, we'll do.
Come on then, Chaz.
Yeah. You come over here and get the car.
Alright, come on down.
Yeah, cover him up, he's going to get wet.
Alright.
You're going to the pub, are you? Yeah. Alright, we'll give it you back down now then.
You coming down to, yeah. Thanks. Alright, see you there, yeah?
Yeah, I'll see you there.
Are you okay?
I'll Dad.
Are you sure you're okay?
I'll see you down there.
Yeah, alright then. Yeah, see you in a minute then.
Yeah. Hi, sweetheart.
Alright. Cheers. Alright.
Yeah. Okay, that's fine.
Someone under here, mate. Chaz? Alright. So they got a few turned up, so we got a few turned up, so that's alright.
Oh, right, okay. Want anything, you know where I am. I've got another appointment, so I'll speak with you later. Andy, take care.
Thank you very much.
Alright, buddy.
Cheers. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Alright. Shaz, get under the umbrella. Oh, Shaz, get under the umbrella. You're alright. Get under the umbrella. Won't do much good, but.
Not soaking anyway, then.
Should have brought a towel.
Yeah.
Right,
yeah,
Dad's
short.
here, so I'll probably see you guys. See you later.
Yeah. Alright, see you in a minute. Alright, see you in a bit. Thank you. See you in a bit.
This place got parking?
Hey?
This place?
Yeah, it's got parking, yeah. Yeah, it's got parking.
I'm running on fumes nearly.
Oh yeah?
I tried to get fuel, I was 45 minutes in the queue and I
Oh
just
my
gave
god.
up.
Oh shit.
I just pulled out, couldn't be bothered.
Do you want to leave your car here and come and get it after?
It'll be alright, it's not as quiet on fumes really, it's got about 20-30 miles in it.
Okay. Well, do you want to drive? I'll follow you.
I'll follow you because I don't know.
Alright. Right, I'm gonna stop the video for a minute.